New tonight at 10, a major Supreme Court ruling for women's reproductive rights here in Iowa. The Iowa Supreme Court ruled today that the 72-hour wait period for a woman to get an abortion that was passed by Iowa lawmakers violates our state constitution. The whole thing's been on hold since it was signed by former Governor Terry Branstad a couple of years ago. Tonight, Local 5's Angelina Salcido heard reaction from both sides.
A very clear message to Governor Reynolds and to the elected officials who voted for this medically unnecessary law.
The Iowa Supreme Court's decision has been controversial for lawmakers and organizations on both sides of the aisle.
I am shocked.
Those for the waiting period say the justices disregarded the right to life.
This is human life. And so to avoid or step over or overlook the strongest first right given to all Iowans was the most shocking part.
But the ACLU and Planned Parenthood say the decision shows the Constitution is protecting the right of Iowans.
We want Governor Reynolds and her allies in the legislature to know we will never stop fighting for our fundamental right to abortion, and the Iowa Constitution protects that right.
While the ruling goes against the current administration's agenda, the conservative group The Family Leader is hopeful it will work in their favor in future cases.
This makes the heartbeat case that's in court right now all the more important. We are going to need the United States Supreme Court to rule on the heartbeat case that is now in court here in Iowa.
Legal experts say the decision is interesting because Chief Justice Mark Cady based his argument against the law all on facts.
Both law, but tons of facts and details about what the opinion of Justice Cady, Chief Justice Cady, describes as the burden on women, the burden particularly on poor women that this law would have in terms of costs. And he concludes that the statistical evidence from other states and other places doesn't show that this really affects many women to change their mind.
In the end, today was a big win for Planned Parenthood and the ACLU of Iowa, but their legal fight isn't over yet. They're still waiting to hear from the Supreme Court on the fetal heartbeat law. That proposed law prohibits a woman from obtaining an abortion as soon as a baby's heartbeat is detected. We'll keep it posted. What do you think about today's decision? You can send us your comments on Facebook or Twitter. Just search We Are Iowa. Send us an email to news@weareiowa.com or call us. The contact information is there on the screen.